Hi Doreen,
Hi.
can you tell us about the exhibitions and the workshop that you guys are going in for?
Yes. So we're going to Delhi. We're participating in the Speaking Tree Expo called Akasha, and the exhibition is on the 15th and the 16th. On the 16th, we also have a 3-hour talk. The talk is going to be on healing journey, choices, and solution after abuse. And on 17th, we're conducting a workshop called Ace Your Pain and Get Meta Healthy.
Wow. So can you tell us a little bit about what the workshop is all about? The first one that's on for 3 hours.
That workshop is a very interesting workshop. It has total Annu Mehta Tadka on it. It's a workshop that will basically empower anyone and everyone who's been through abuse.
So what about people who say कि हमें तो कभी abuse हुई नहीं?
Or they're just living in denial. If you live on this planet, there is no choice you're not going to get abused, because we have either misunderstood the word abuse if we say that we've never been abused, or we are living in a bubble which can burst any minute. So let's get prepared for it. Abuse cannot just be sexual abuse. It can be verbal abuse, it can be physical abuse, it can be abuse in the name of love.
Can you give us some examples of what do you mean by everyday abuse?
It can be something as simple as a husband getting back home and expecting his wife to stay back till 12 in the night to have dinner with him. I think that's abuse. When she has the food with her and she can eat it at 9:30 when she's really hungry, why are you forcing her to do something that is so unnatural? I think
Right.
anything that you're getting forced into which does not come naturally to you is abuse. No one in this world would like to be called with a name like Bhondu.
Right.
I think that's also abuse. And over a period of time, all of these bhondus,
Do you think, Doreen, you're overreacting over here?
No, I'm just being realistic. If people think that I'm overreacting, then I will just say that, maybe that is, how you're looking at things, because that is the way you've been conditioned. You've been conditioned to believe कि ये सब तो रोज होता रहता है.
So they've stopped looking at it.
They've stopped looking at it. They think that it's as much as a part of their life as much as breakfast and lunches. But hello, if you're getting abused over a period of time, and if it's chronic abuse, it is going to show up. It's going to show up in the form of mood swings. It's going to show up in the form of diseases that can be physical as well as psychological. So yes, if you don't want to talk about abuse, your body will.
Yeah. So पहला chance will be to create that awareness.
Exactly. I think the whole idea of this 3-hour workshop that Anu is conducting is be aware of what abuse is, so that you are not the victimizer to someone else. And if you're a victim, how can you, come out of the cage?
That's a very interesting take that you're taking. You're saying that so that you don't victimize them.
Exactly, because if I do not know what it means to be abused, I may probably do the same thing, replicate the same behavior, and abuse someone else, because I do not know any other way.
Okay, so it's like a preventive story.
It's a preventive story, it's a curative story, name it whatever you want, but it is something that happens every day, that's getting ignored every day. We are easily blaming people for our abuse. It's time that we take responsibility for
Is
abuse.
blame
and
also a
do
form
something.
of abuse?
It is. I mean, if I have not done something because I don't know any other way, and if someone is constantly telling me that I have done it, it is an abuse.
So that means the people who commit suicide would be self-abuse?
They can be abused by the society, or they can be abused by their parents, they can be abused in any form. And from whatever I have learned and studied, I think suicide is just an act that is conducted after a person has gone through a psychological trauma. And what is really a psychological trauma? Any kind of abuse that lasts for a very long time is good enough to cause a psychological trauma. Psychological traumas can lead to suicides.
So would you say that this workshop will empower people?
Yes, it will empower people. It will make people more sensitive towards others, towards himself also, because most of the time people who get abused end up blaming themselves. So they will learn to be sensitive. They will understand the fact that it was not really their fault, and I think that is a big step.
Brilliant. So looking forward to seeing you and
Yes.
Anu.
Yes.
Bye.
And as always, we're going to rock it.
Best of luck to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.